Minister cio a county Muthoni wa Muya uria urarugamirire iganda na wonjoria, Faith Bogwa uria urarugamirire githomo na Simon Ng'ang'a uria urarugamirire mai mathitangite gavana wa Nyandarua, thirikari ya Nyandarua, speaker wa bunge na bunge ya county yo.
CECs work at the pressure of the governor. The law is very clear. The law is very clear. Once you are terminated, what you can claim are benefits. Since I've been terminated, they're on a 2-year contract heading in November, or they can negotiate at the exit packages.
Marenda igoti ria thirikari ya kaunti ya Nyandarua imacokie wira na imacokerie mishara yao, mieke yao ndikaneanwo kuri maabitha angi na bunge ya kaunti yo ndigacirire ndereti imegie.
We engage in annual review of CECs very quietly with the people, and we know CECs who are performing and CECs who are not performing, or those who are performing under capacity, or those who are interested in politics, those who would like to do other things.
Igoti riu ni riathanite macoke wira kinyagia cira ukajia guthikiririo tariki 23 mweri wa kenda. Atatu acio hamwe na Kariuki Bataru uria wari wa ukinyaniria mafutirwo wira ciumia 2 thiru makirikana ni kumana na ugondereru wira-ini na mathenya mao ni marikitie kuihurio ni maabitha angi aria mamurirwo orio ni Governor Francis Kimemia.
So you don't worry about what has happened. Let's look at the court order and see how the court order is.
No kuringana na CEC aya, tabarira cia kiguni ta cia mai iria manjiririe mari CEC nicio Gavana Kimemia akoretwo akihingura. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, njitagwo Haron Njoroge wa Maina.